Hello YouTube, Kamala and Mike are back after a long break. We're going to continue with the part 2 of the tutorial, and this is going to be the installation of Notepad++, Mobile STEM, PuTTY, Xming, and WinSCP. Also, we want you to know that we are very pleased with your messages. Mike, let's hit the
road.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Kamala. Yes, so we'll go right away. Kamala already gave us a list. We're doing Notepad++ installation, Mobile XTEM, PuTTY, and Xming, and then WinSCP. Okay, so we'll start with Notepad++. So, yeah, you just click next, agree to the terms and conditions, move on next, and then you can tick to create the shortcut for Notepad++ installation. Okay. Go on. Okay, so finished. We are done with Notepad++, and it opened automatically. I already have it installed, and I uninstalled it just to demonstrate it. So we'll go on. Okay, so the next one will be Mobile XTEM. We'll be running the portable version, so we'll extract it. It's a zip file. So after extraction, you open the folder and then you create a shortcut. So right click on it, send shortcut to desktop. So we don't have to open this folder anytime I want to run Mobile XTEM. So that's the icon there. Now next, so we'll open Mobile XTEM. Alright, so that's how it looks like. So we'll be looking at PuTTY this time. We'll be installing PuTTY. Okay, next, install. Okay, so you say you agree and say yes, and then extend. Finish. So let's have a look at the PuTTY icon. You can open it and have a look at it. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so we'll go on with the installation with Xming. So we open Xming, we say yes, next, yes. So we will just go on and say next, and then next. So we'll create a shortcut for the launcher in Xming. So we'll say next, and then finish. Okay, so yeah, private, we only take the private and say allow access. We'll go on with okay, so that's how the Xming looks like. When the time is up, we're going to run the launcher. We'll go on with installation of WinSCP, that's a file transfer client. Now, as we mentioned earlier, you could use FileZilla or any other preferred client, file transfer client. So I already have it running. That's why it's giving us this prompt. Okay, so I have a WinSCP session already running. I'm going to cancel it and then we'll continue with the installation. Okay, so I closed the WinSCP session that was active. Now I'm going to start the installation again. So we hit run, yes, and then accept the terms and condition, and then next. So I think WinSCP is done now. We just say finish. So we'll take the launcher and I'll take the open get started page. So alright. So that's how WinSCP looks like when you run it, when you open it. So we'll close this one for now. So now we are done with the installation of the 5 tools we listed. That's Notepad++, Mobile Xterm, PuTTY, Xming, and then WinSCP. Now I'm going to go further to explain PuTTY, what PuTTY does, for the sake of those who are new to PuTTY. Now, this diagram here shows our laptop computer with PuTTY installed on it. And then we have, in the next video, we'll be doing a VMware Workstation installation, which will reside on the laptop. Now, this VMware is zoomed out here. Now, on the VMware Workstation, we're going to install our Linux operating system. So, PuTTY is a tool which is going to help us remotely connect to the Linux operating system. Basically, that's what it does. The same thing for Mobile Xterm. It works the same as PuTTY, except that it has a lot more features than PuTTY. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. And thank you, Komla.
Thank you, Mike.
All right.